Hello, this is Jay. I'm not at work, and this is my Wicked Laser S3 Arctic unboxing. It's really cool. There's a lot of exciting stuff in here. The only thing that I don't have is the saber, and that's on back order. Should be at my house shortly, and look forward to making a video of that. It's pretty awesome. This thing's a lot of fun, and it's very dangerous. And here we go. First thing I'll show you is the Wicked Laser case with the Arctic inside of it. This is how it came to me. I got it brand new just on New Year's Eve, actually, 2019. This is the laser itself. Here's all the hazard information. Probably not in focus, but that's okay. I'll turn it on for you. Got to be very careful. That's a switch on the bottom. Those are the LEDs. Three fast clicks and two hold clicks, and it's on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And we got a laser. Check it out. Right now I'm not wearing any safety glasses. It's on low power. You don't want to shine it in your eyes. I've already gotten flash burn. But pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the beam. Oh yeah. Hopefully I don't light my house on fire. Put my hand in front of it. Ow! Gets hot quick. Turn it on full power really quickly. Oh, and then it shuts off. There we go. The battery came charged with a couple little pieces of electrical tape on the ends, so you weren't able to make any of the contacts connect. This is the battery. It's really a lot of fun and a lot of dangerous. All at the same time, you don't want to burn yourself, burn your eyes. That's why it comes with safety glasses, which I'll show you. This is the regular lens. It says 100% on it. Put that back together. And this case is awesome. Clip it right onto your belt. And wear it like a lightsaber. This box should be the flashlight, the phosphorus, which is really awesome. This unscrews and screws in the nozzle. It's really a lot of fun. It turns the Arctic laser into a 500 lumens flashlight. Click it. 3 clicks, 2 holds, and the flashlight is on. Do full power. Whoa! And shut it off. Really, the thing is so much fun. Very well made, very high quality. And no longer available in the US. So if you guys wanted one, you should have
Bought one about a decade ago. And I've wanted one for so long. I'm not going to tell you how I got it, but it's pretty simple. Just a little loophole. Their website is actually banned from the FDA to send any of these things out to the US. And this is the 10X beam expander, which is really neat. It's basically just like a telescopic lens. It makes the beam 10 times stronger than normal with just a regular lens. Like I said, stuff is very, very well made. I'll throw that on there for you guys. This thing is really just too much fun. Just wait till you get one and you swing it around like a lightsaber and end up with flash burn the next day in your eyes. Here's the power switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And we got a laser. The 10X beam expander. Watch it go into full power. Whoa. They do ship to European countries. No Australia, no Canada, no United States, and no Sweden. But the rest of Europe, they will ship to. Now I'm super excited about getting my saber. I can't wait. It's going to be too much fun with that thing. This is the expanded lens kit, which comes with 4 different lenses for it. Just all of them are really cool. This one is a circle pattern, which I could show you guys. One, 2, 3. 1, 2. Which that was the first time I did that, and that was pretty neat. Let's do another one. I'll do all 4. This one is a square pattern. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, this one's really neat. This one's the grid pattern. We can set up a grid. I gotta try this one at night. Obviously I'll be making more videos for you guys to watch. Very neat. Let's do high power. Very, very, very neat. And the next one is like the scroll pattern. I was using this last night, actually lighting up some clouds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Which was really cool. You can check it out. This thing at night is just unbelievable. At dusk, in a dark room. So very, very, very much fun. Make sure you guys share this video, like and comment. Definitely share this video because I think everybody should have one of these. Any responsible adult. And you know what I just realized is I didn't show any of you guys the safety glasses yet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Which I bought 2 pairs of. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And I will wear. Making more videos, hopefully. That's it for the lens expansion kit. I'll put the normal lens on there. And I'll light that up for you guys another time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Which is just so excellent. Like, you guys can see the beam. It's the middle of the day right now, and you guys can still see the beam. Not setting any curtains on fire or anything. Do high power. Put it back in the case. Just awesome. Everything's very, very high quality. And these are the safety glasses that come with it. A very dark red lens. Again, very well made. They say wicked lasers on the side of them. Definitely worth the money for a big toy that's dangerous.
Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. I'll have more videos coming out. You know, you're not supposed to really sell anything on YouTube, so I won't. And if you guys really want one, make sure you leave a comment. Thank you.